Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use Facebook Stories. So for this, let's open the Facebook app. Now here, click on Add to Story and your gallery will open up. From here, choose the image that you want to upload in your story. Choose the image that you want to upload in your story. So I will go with this one. Now you can edit this here. So first of all, I will choose this picture and now I want to add any music. So there we have For You option. You can click on it and here you can scroll down and find different songs. Then we have the sticker option. So from here you can add different stickers. So I will go with this sticker here. Then we have the text option. You can add text here. So I will type a good day. Once you are done, then you can click on done. If you want to change the background color here, you can click on A here and then the background will be removed. Then we have the music option. So you can search for music here. You can choose the trending one here, or if you want to search for a specific song, then you can search in search bar. Now, if you want to hide the song name, so you can just simply decrease the size and place it here in the left side. Then we have this option of filters. So you can change the filter here. And after changing the filter, then we have the draw option. So you can draw anything here. So I will just add a heart and then click on done. Then we have this option of tagging. You can tag people here. Simply search for their name. So I will search a name here and then click on their name and now click on done. So now they are tagged in your story. In this way, you can use stories on Facebook. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.